Welcome. If you want to log out from Gmail on your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, at the first you have to go for the settings, then you have to find accounts and the backup, and then go to manage accounts. And if you want to sync out from one of these accounts, I will do it for this one. You have to go here and then tap to remove account, click here, and when we open our Gmail, we will be not logging anymore with this account on our Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. And if you want to add it back, you have to click here to add another account, and then just go for the Google and then input your data, email and the password. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!